Hey everyone! So today we're working on a 16-inch hexagon. We're going to do a Boilermaker. I did spray the shot glass with the WD-40 silicone spray. So with the Boilermaker we're using the white base paint. I do have it in the cup already. That recipe for that is below the video, as well as the paint pouring paint that we use. So I'm going to go ahead and start filling my shot glass. This is the Lucas Permanent Violet, Premier Purple Red, Artist Loft Naples Yellow, Grumbacher Prussian Blue, and then I'm going to set this one aside and grab the iridescent mix. I use the Artist Loft Iridescent Medium and mix it with that Grumbacher Prussian Blue. So on my next row, I will have the iridescent in there. So we'll go ahead with the purple again, the purple red, Naples yellow, and then the Grumbacher Prussian blue, and I will shoot that right in there. My bottle's got a little messy there. I overshook. Okay, so with the Boilermaker, all we do is kerplunk this little cup so that it goes down to the bottom of that cup. Once I see a bubble, I kind of know it's ready. And then I take this and flip it. And I like to let some of the paint out because it does get quite a bit of suction going on in there. Doesn't matter if your shot glass tips over or not. Look how pretty that is coming out. It works either way. If your shot glass tips over, it's okay because your paint is still getting let out. So I just wipe the top of the shot glass off. Shot glass. I like to see if there's any color left. I just do a quick swirl around and set that off. Okay. Don't want to waste any paint because we're going to put it all on the canvas. So let's give that a torch real quick. And now I'm going to move this around. I like to do just a small circle just to see where all the paint's at. And I'm going to head over this way. Now remember, when you're using a hexagon, you have a lot more edges to cover. So it's easier to actually go from the middle out. Always bringing that paint back to the middle. And once you get everything covered, then you can go in and start pouring off what you don't like or what you want to definitely keep. It's just easier to see it all. It's got a little bit of ethereal look to it, which is kind of cool, but yet it's bold also. I'm kind of liking that look right there. I don't have a ton of paint there, so I think I'd be okay. Let me wipe my hands and we're going to torch it because there's still color underneath that white that we'll be bringing up. But I really love this wispiness, this ethereal vibe to it. Okay. So they're going to start coming up now. I'm about 6 inches away from the canvas. I'm just warming the paint to let those cells come up. It's just bringing the silicone to the top, and with it comes color. where it breaks through and shows what's underneath. But it also celled out our little ethereal wisp there. But it isn't changing a lot, which is cool. Alright, so what I like to do is to leave it set for about 10 minutes, and that's what I'm going to do now. But for you, it's only going to be a few seconds. So I will be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I don't see a lot of change, which is good, because I really love this area here. So I'm going to bring it up and give you a close-up so you can see this pretty wispy area. But it's pretty neat. I'm liking this a lot. So subscribe if you haven't yet, and click on that bell. You'll be notified when I upload the next video. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Join our Facebook group, the Parage Posse. Also, my Christina Welch Art page is on Facebook. You can search me out there. I see little cells that are trying to come up. Let me give that another torch. It'll probably develop more as I let it sit on its own. But check out all the links below, guys. Lots of links there for purchasing paintings and shopping with us on Amazon for your paint pouring supplies. The paint mixing videos, like I said, for the base and for our bottled paints with silicone. That recipe is there as well. Thanks so much for watching. See y'all in the next one. Bye now.